Ever felt like herding cats when aligning stakeholders? The Change Management Pack cuts through the chaos with precision tools, stakeholder power interest matrix modeling, ADKAR based communication flows, micro learning curriculum design, and force field analysis for resistance. This isn't just theory. We're talking ISO 10015 compliant training frameworks and Cotter 8-step accelerators. For change managers, transformation leads, HR business partners, and PMO directors drowning in pushback, this is your lifeline. Let's just say we didn't include the herding cats module, but we're working on it. Here's what's inside the change management pack: stakeholder mapping with RACI vision matrices, communication planning using McKinsey 7S alignment triggers, training modules with SCORM-compliant branching scenarios, resistance management through ProSize pack model, implementation roadmaps with Gantt chart dependencies. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your transformation GPS. Installing the Change Management Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add change management pack. That's it. You get the complete 12-phase workflow, 47 communication templates, and 8 training simulations. Next time you open Claude Code, your AI knows stakeholder sentiment analysis. Your assistant becomes a change management guru. No cats were harmed in the making of this pack. Ready to transform chaos into clarity? Your deployment starts now.